EDaily Conversation.
The mall is very crowded today.
Everyone wants to shop on Saturday.
Where should we go first?
Let us go to the clothing store.
I need to buy a new dress.
I need to find some blue jeans.
Look at the bright shop windows.
The displays look very modern.
I see a very pretty red dress.
It is in the window over there.
Let us go inside the store.
The music is playing very loudly.
I am looking for my size.
I will look for the men's section.
Everything is very well organized.
I like the colors of the clothes.
I found the dress I wanted.
I found some comfortable jeans.
Let us celebrate our success.
We are finished for today.
I want to try this on.
The fitting rooms are in back.
Is there a long waiting line?
No, there is no line today.
How do I look in this?
You look very beautiful in red.
The dress is a little big.
You should try a smaller size.
I will ask the shop assistant.
I am trying my jeans now.
Do the jeans fit you well?
Yes, they are the perfect length.
I found the right size now.
This color suits you very well.
I feel very confident in this.
I like my new style too.
We look very good today.
Let us buy these clothes now.
I need some comfortable walking shoes.
The shoe store is on level 2.
I like these white sneakers.
They look very light and soft.
Can I try size 7, please?
I will ask the clerk now.
These shoes feel very good.
Do you like the price too?
Yes, they are on sale today.
I want some black leather boots.
Those boots look very strong.
I can wear them in winter.
You should try them on now.
They fit my feet perfectly.
We are having a lucky day.
Shopping is very easy today.
Let us put them in bags.
My feet are very happy now.
We need a gift for Mom.
What does she like to wear?
She loves soft silk scarves.
Let us look in that boutique.
This yellow scarf is very pretty.
Yellow is her favorite color.
Is the material high quality?
Yes, it feels very smooth.
How much does the scarf cost?
It is $30 today.
That is a very fair price.
We should buy a nice box.
The clerk can wrap it now.
Mom will be very happy.
I love giving special gifts.
You are a very kind daughter.
We found the perfect present.
The shopping list is almost done.
I am feeling very tired now.
Let us go to the food court.
I want to drink some juice.
I want to eat a sandwich.
The food court is very busy.
Let us find a small table.
I will sit near the fountain.
I will go and buy food.
Please get me an orange juice.
I will be back very soon.
The mall is a lively place.
Here is your cold drink.
Thank you for the juice.
This sandwich is very fresh.
I feel much better now.
We have many shopping bags.
We had a very busy afternoon.
Resting here is very nice.
The sun is going down now.
It is time to go home.
I enjoyed our day at mall.
I enjoyed being with you.
Let us carry the bags together.
I will take the heavy ones.
We bought everything we needed.
We spent our money wisely.
I am excited to wear dress.
You will look amazing tomorrow.
Thank you for your help today.
You are very welcome, my dear.
Let us find the car now.
The parking lot is very full.
I see our car over there.
Open the trunk for the bags.
Today was a perfect day.
I am ready to go home.